What's up, guys? It's me, Exploding Gamer, and today we're going to be doing the next episode of Slime Rancher 2. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay. And so I recorded a video last time, but the files got corrupted, so we're just going to redo some of the stuff we did in that episode. It wasn't that exciting. So the only thing we did was explore, and we found a Crystal Gordo and a Tabby Gordo, and that's about it. So now we can go do some more exploring. And feed all these guys and stuff. Oh yeah, have all the pomegranates, guys. There you go. Mint mangoes. And feed these guys all up. All the food ones. Okay. So let's see what we have over here for upgrades. What do we need? Dash boots. Reduce the energy consumption of sprinting. Need 10 boom plorts. I want that. We have the jetpack. And this needs 10 angler plorts. Okay, so we need chicken. Let's go get chicken. Because boom plorts and angler plorts. And of course I got rid of my angler slimes a few episodes ago. Let's go this way and grab what we need. And if you guys enjoy, hit that like and subscribe button. I know I say it a lot, but it really helps out. And if I hit 1,000 subscribers, you're gonna get way better quality videos. And I'm really invested into this, and I really like doing it. So I hope you guys are enjoying whatsoever. We've already got quite a few chicken. We just need a few more. Let's go this way. We'll grab the angler slimes first. All we need is a total of 20-ish chicken. I hear chicken. I see chicken. There he is. There's this stuff, deep brine, but I don't need it right now, so I won't take it. Once I do, we can come get it. We know where it is. Yep. Here we go. Through the portal. So, there's angler slimes back here, if I remember correctly. Yes, there is, and a sea hen. Perfect, we have enough. Here. You, my angler friend. I have this. Whoa, I really like the rock angler. It's nice. Angler's got a lot of good mixes. Okay, let's see. Let's look for angler plorts that are on the ground right now. Stop eating the rock plorts, please. Oh my god. Angler plort. Are you hungry? Nope, you're fine. You're not. Angler mix. Angler. You look angry. Yeah. Angler rock. You know what? That's for the rock port too. You're hungry. Oh, come on, man. Why are you doing me like that? Also, stop it. Okay, I've got sea hen. Yeah, that's right. Heat it up. And you're hungry. I can tell because you're jumping really high. Boom! Look at that slime statue. It's so funny. Oh, and that's it. That's all 10. I don't remember what's in that cave. You are not. Oh, you guys see that? Now that we have the jetpack, we can access the map thing. Ooh, and there's chicken. I'm bringing as many as I can for the next area. So we need 10 boom plorts. I can actually throw out the sea hen because we've already got 10. Boom! Oh, we unlocked the area. And there's an island over there that's explorable, but that's probably for another episode. Okay, now that we've done that little detour, let's head down to the boom slime. They should be this way. Yeah, there's the portal. And like you guys saw in the last episode, there's something behind the Oh my god, I'm bad with names. Boom Slime Gordo. So I want to pop him soon too. So we just gotta collect as many chicken as we can on the way. Stony hens. You like that? Any other chicken around here? Back here maybe? Is that a chicken? That's a flower. And these are tabbies that all sucked up all the chicken. That's just great, as one would say. Let's go in then. See that chicken? I need it. Let's find some chicken. Hope you guys are enjoying so far. I put a lot of time into these videos. You know, I think they're okay quality. What is that? What is that? Whatever it is, I want it. You're fired, Roostros. What are you? Yoki slime. Slime always look the sunny side up. And there's a lucky slime. Oh my god. No, lucky slime, don't fly away. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. And it's gone. Oh my god, the geyser just did that to me, didn't it? The geyser did. The geyser launched him up into the air and there's tar everywhere. This is just great, isn't it? I don't know what this Yoki slime is. It looks really cool. So I'm keeping it, but I don't know what to do with it. Can you guys comment down below what the Yoki slime does? Because I'm really interested. I want to know what it's for. Because, you know, it'd be nice. That's all I'm saying. So where's the fire area? It's that way. So first I'm gonna feed a few of these chickens to Boom Gordo, and then I'll collect some Boom Slimes over here. I don't want to deal with the ferals because of that, you know, attacking. I didn't know bad slimes would spawn over here. Since when? So if we climb up here and now jump and jetpack up, we're good. Yeah, we're good. Chicken. Ooh, that is a lot of fire. So we can go over here. Wait, sunny side up. Do they live in lava? Do you like that? I can't tell if it likes it. I don't want it to burn. Diet none. Like, what does he do? Like, cause if we go here, does it say anything in the Slimepedia? Yoki slime. Sunny side up. I don't get it. I do not get it. And then, I don't know. I have no idea. There you go, bud. A few chicken. Now let's go grab ourselves some plorts. Don't you dare. Don't you dare, Tar. That's slime, and that's explosion. And the chicken is phasing through him. This is not good. Where'd the chicken go? Please don't tell me. It got eaten by something that isn't a boom slime. Boom plort. Got it. Tar. Don't want it. I need as many boom slimes around here as possible. Seriously? Just eat it. Just eat it. You look hungry, eat it. Okay, fine. If you don't want to eat it, don't eat it. Also, I heard something poop out ports, so maybe. Nope. Ah, there's the chicken. So I've got enough chickens, but I can't find the slimes I need. This way, and that's not the right kind of chicken. And that chicken just popped out of the lava. Okay. A lot of stuff going on. You're happy, so you'll eat. Thank you. And you're... You. Oh my god, the tar is spreading. You're not hungry. Okay, we're going to a different place now. We can't have the tar spreading everywhere, it's just too much. Oh my god, it's a ringtail. It's cute. Pink boom. You should have dropped a boom port, because you didn't. Sorry, guy. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, come on. Boom port. Ringtail. Ringtail, buddy. Oh my god, no way. Chicken? Yes? Yes! Sorry, what? You hungry? How many do I need? 2? Ooh, bathroom. Okay. Not the ones with the smug faces. They're the ones that steal. Okay, I think we're good. And there's tar spreading, so I think it's our cue to go. And I'm gonna feed it these 2 chickens on our way out, and I'm gonna grab those fire slime, because I want fire slime. I didn't think they'd spawn here. You better not be eating the fire slime. Fire slime? Are you there? Fire slime's dead. Great. Oh my god. Just great. Fire slime! Are you kidding me? That's a joke. Fire slime. Hi, bud. Man, I love these guys. I can't believe there's only one. Ready, set, hop. Should I Google what the Yoki slime does, guys? What do you think? You know what? I don't think there's a point of keeping one fire slime. I'm sorry. You can live in the lava there where it's safe from the tar. Okay, bud. Because I really want to know what the Yoki slime's for, so we should do that. This way. Yep. God, this map's confusing sometimes. Jump over here. Go over here, and to the portal we go. Perfect. Let's head back home. Okay. Phosphor isn't gone yet, so it's still technically night for some reason. It's weird. We're almost back home, guys. There's phosphors everywhere. I really want those dash boots, because then I don't have to run forever and ever. I mean, I can run forever, not don't have to run. You know what I mean, guys. I can run for longer. There's the words I'm looking for. Here's the boat I took. Seems interesting. No, so we hopped off here, we went up here. Then I'm guessing through here and up to the farm. Okay. We gotta feed these guys. They are getting hungry. Whew. Perfect. Now that they're less hungry, we're good. These guys, the little thieves, are hungry. The little food munchers. Don't get angry, guys. I know you're hungry. Stop killing each other or whatever. Go down here. And we can finally get the upgrades I want. 4. There we go. Okay, let's see what we can get. Boom plorts, dash boots. Let's go, finally. Wait, what's the next part of dash boots? A lot of stuff that I don't have. Okay, and then the tank booster too. We can hold 4 items at a time now. That's so good. Deep brine for a water tank. I should do that, shouldn't I? A lot of this stuff is expensive. Heart module isn't though, so I'm gonna get the pink plort. All this pomegranate. Grab some more for them. I like the pun pomegranate. Get it too. And you guys are hungry. Everybody's hungry, if you guys know what I mean. Perfect, they're all fed. Okay, I'm gonna Google what the Yoki slime is for real quick, guys. So give me 1 second. Just look at them eat and jump around. Go here, and go to Google. Okay. Yoki slime use. Yoki slimes can only inspire the production of giant eggs when nearby chickens are able to reproduce. They're not miracle workers, so if hens and roosters are too crowded, giant eggs would be a rare occurrence indeed. Giant eggs. I don't get it. So something with eggs, so I'm gonna get a chicken coop. Okay, guys? Do I have any area around here for a chicken coop? I think I'm out of area. We're gonna have to buy a new area, aren't we? Chicken. The gully! Let's hope there's chickens over here. This place looks nice. I like it. And there's a chicken. Let's do a little bit of exploring. The map is another area that's blocked. The tide pool's 3,500. Oh, can't afford that. I'll tell you that. Oh my god, chicken. Again. Where's it coming from? Up here? Okay, so let's sell a few plorts. I'm gonna leave the chickens in the cave. Let's sell a few plorts. And then, you know, oh my god, you don't know. You know, no, stop saying you know. Oh my god, I keep saying you know. So dumb. We will. Oh my god, I lost the word. Make a chicken. There's the words. I'm so happy we can hold 40 at a time of stuff now. Ringtail plorts are the most valuable plorts I think I have right now. We got a full load, finally. This is the first full load of ringtail plorts. Okay, here we go. Yeah, see, Yoki slimes can make plorts right there. But I don't know how to get them. Oh my god, baddie ports are my most expensive ones. That's not what I expected. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Gonna go over here, we're gonna put the chickens in a pen, and we need a roostro so they can produce giant eggs, which I have no idea what they are. Like, I seriously have no idea. I just googled it. They can produce giant eggs. I'm buying all the upgrades. You guys can go in there and have a Yoki slime with you. Let's hope he doesn't explode or something. I don't know. Let's hope he's good. We gotta go find roostros, guys. But, yeah, let's go find them. Roostros and a few more chickens. And I want to collect pink quartz for the health upgrade. All I need is 10, so it's not hard of a job. It's not a hard job. Sorry, Slime, didn't mean to pick you up there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect! Perfecto. Okay, that's a rotten berry. Chickens, chickens. Where are thou chickens? Chickens, oh chickens, where are thou chickens? Sorry, Pink Slime, you are not allowed to eat them. I'd like two or three roostros, if I'm being honest. That'd be very nice. I want chickens so I can reproduce them and feed them to the chicken gordos, because I do not want to be low on them. I think I'm going to throw 2 of these out. I don't want stony hens in the breed. I want one more elder. Elder? Okay, fine. I'll take one. No, that's a stony. I don't want a stony. Please don't be hunting for roostro. Ah. Just one roostro, please. Don't. Is that a roostro? That better not have been a roostro. Be so sad if that was a roostro. I see a roostro. I see him. Roostro, don't die while I'm gone. Please. Please. Where'd it go? No, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Don't tell me it like glitched into the wall or something. Roostro. Roostro. No way. It's gone. It's actually gone. Is it in the wall? Did I launch it somewhere? Like, what happened? Oh my god, guys. Did you guys see that? That is the most annoying thing ever. Well, I guess we're only bringing one roostro. I don't even get what happened. He's just disappeared into thin air. Just boom, gone. Like a magician. Better magician than me, apparently. Magician would be a cool job. But I like this. This is fun. I like doing this. This is what I love. Anyways, side tangents. Again, not the point. Okay, so we can go over here. Sorry guys, passing through. That's the cave. It's over here. I'm gonna deposit this and get the health boost. I wanna know how I can get the extra tank booster thing. Or not tank booster, energy tank booster. Like, can I buy it? Nope. What was I doing? Health boost. Well, now that I've got a roostro, they can reproduce. And yeah. And that's not the right area. God, this is confusing. Is this it? Okay, where is it? Right across from me. That's where I was. Wasn't that the cave? I swear, am I dumb? God, I am dumb. It goes through a cave. I'm gonna climb up. I saw something. Hey, got a message. Hi, the drones rebuild the conservatory exactly what it was before. I'm so happy to see it standing there again. It's glass and flittering, beautiful daylight, magical place. When it was done, for a moment I almost thought things were back to normal. I thought maybe I would just walk inside and start again like nothing had happened. And though I know that's not the case, it was still so nice to finally be home again. It is a nice observatory. What's that noise? Ah, it's this thing. Sometimes I used to bring my lunch here and stare at the colossal fossils, wondering what world looked like when they were alive. A world of slimes, but now who knows what it was before. And if the universe was room for, geez, a lot of stuff about the past. Okay. Yeah, they're cool colossal fossils. Yoki slime do anything? No? It's good in here. I'll let you guys chill. Well guys, I think this is gonna have to be it for the episode. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. And this has been Exploding Gamer, and I'm out!